Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. So a while ago, no, our presenter discussed about finance and economics for managers in strategic management. No, so finance and economics are foundational pillars, no, in the realm of strategic management. For managers, no, these disciplines, no, provide critical or vital insights and tools, no, that helps in making informed decisions that align with an organization's long-term goals. No, understanding the interplay between finance, economics, and strategy is essential for navigating complex business environment and achieving sustainable competitive advantage. Financial analysis, no, involves evaluating an organization's financial health through various metrics and statements. So managers use tools like a ratio analysis, cash flow analysis, and financial forecasting to assess the viability of strategic initiatives. So for instance, no, analyzing the return on investment and net present value of potential projects helps managers, no, allocate resources efficiently and of course prioritize investment that promise the best financial returns. So the economic environment significantly influences strategic planning. No? Managers must be adept at interpreting microeconomic indicators such as GDP, growth, no, inflation rates, interest rates, and employment levels. These indicators help forecast economic trends that can impact demand, cost structures, and overall business performance. So by understanding these trends, managers can develop strategies that are resilient to economic fluctuation. Microeconomics focuses on the behavior of individuals in firms in making decisions about the allocation of resources because managers use concepts like supply and demand, elasticity, and market structure to devise competitive strategies. For let's say, for example, no, understanding price elasticity helps in setting pricing strategies that maximize revenue without losing customers to competitors. Similarly, knowledge of market structures aids in identifying the levels of competition and potential barriers to entry. Capital budgeting is a critical process, no, in strategic management, no, involving the evaluation and selection of long-term investments. Managers use various financial models to assess the potential profitability and risk of investment opportunity. Techniques such as discounted cash flow analysis, no, meron tayong internal rate of return, no, and payback period calculations enable managers to make strategic decisions about capital allocation that support growth and innovation. Understanding financial market is essential for managers when considering funding option for strategic initiatives. Whether raising capital through equity, debt, or hybrid instrument, you as manager need to evaluate the cost of capital and the impact on the organization's financial structure. Effective funding strategies ensure that organization has the necessary resources to pursue its objective or strategic objective while maintaining financial stability. Risk management is an integral part of strategic management. Financial risk, including market risk, credit risk, and liquidity risk, can significantly impact an organization's strategic outcomes. So managers employ various risk management techniques such as hedging, diversification, and insurance to mitigate this risk. So a sound financial strategy incorporates risk assessment and develop contingency plans to ensure the organization's resilience and against financial uncertainties. For strategic plans to be effective, they must integrate financial and economic insights seamlessly. And this involves aligning financial goals with broader strategic objectives and ensuring the economic trends are factored into strategic forecasts. We as managers use tools like balanced scorecards, strategic maps, no, to link financial performance metrics with strategic goals. facilitating a holistic approach to strategy execution. Okay, real world, of course, examples and case study illustrate the practical application of finance and economics in strategic management. For instance, a company like Apple uses extensive financial analysis and market research to guide its product development strategy. So analyzing such cases helps managers understand the nuances of applying theoretical concepts to real business scenarios, enhancing their strategic decision making capabilities. No? So, the evolving business landscape characterized by technological advancement and globalization continues to shape the application of finance and economics in strategic management. Emerging trends such as big data analytics, artificial intelligence, and sustainable finance are redefining how managers approach strategy. Staying abreast of this development ensures that managers can leverage new tools and insights to drive innovative and forward-thinking strategies. Finance and economics are integral to strategic management, providing the analytical framework and economic context necessary for informed decision making. Managers equipped with expertise in these areas can effectively navigate the complexity of the business environment, ensuring their organizations thrive in a competitive and dynamic marketplace.